Hey guys, hope you guys had a good day trading today. So we had a pretty good day to start the Monday off here. Nice couple wins, nice little profit too. So taking a look at the daily here, I was mentioning that we could come up and touch this 400.6 area. And if you look back here, this 400.6 is a really big pivot area. And I mentioned I remain bearish until we close over 400.6. So also interestingly enough, there was a previous demand level at 400.6. So us coming up here and touching that with the wick and rejecting is very bearish also. But not only that, but we got a nice daily 8 EMA touch and rejection with the wick. And we put in a actual resistance level with the candle body at the daily 250 EMA. This is about as bearish of a candle as you can see. This essentially is a repeat of right here where we have a move down, we bounce to a test resistance, and then we make a next move down. Now, I don't know if it's going to be as dramatic as this, but I do expect that we will come down into this range tomorrow. So with this movement here, we took out this 400.6 demand area. So currently we're just looking at a 388.66 and then 405.8 for our demand levels. For me, with this rejection right here, unless for some reason we do not close below 396.8, which is the 100 EMA tomorrow, I will be looking for a test of 390. Now, if we come down to 390 and we test this 388.7 demand level and hold it, I will actually be looking for a move back up to this 405.8 level. Or if we put a new demand level in down here, I will be looking for some upside. Taking a look at futures, very similar here. We have a really nice rejection of the 8, 50, and 100 EMA. And on futures, we actually did close below the 100 EMA. So that is a very, very bearish close, and we have the candle body below it. So tomorrow, the bears are going to look to establish 39.88 as resistance, and they're going to look to make a move down to retest 39.45 support. If we continue the move down, I will be looking for a test of 39.20, and then we can think about a bounce back to the 4,000s. Taking a look at Tesla here. So Tesla has Investor Day this week, and I actually thought about it over the weekend, which was obviously far too late. That it would have been a good move to just do some lotto calls since it usually pumps. And if you look at tickers today, almost everybody closed less than 1% green or red. Meta closed red, besides Tesla, which closed up 5.46% green. So overall, Tesla had a pretty bullish day. We had a really nice bounce off this demand level on Friday at 196.3 and this nice reversal candle here, which put us back over the key resistance of 202.2 from last week and back over the daily 8 EMA. With this move up, we should be looking for a test of the 211.6 demand and possibly even the 200 EMA at 214.2. If we were to fall back down, then we're just going to be still stuck in the same 196.4 to 211.6 range. And that's pretty much what we have just here on Tesla, is just this big range consolidation right here. I will be interested to see what happens after Investors Day. This very well could become a buy the rumor, sell the news event on Tesla. Last thing to talk about here besides Bitcoin is the VIX. We did have a nice move down here. We did close under the daily 8 EMA. And one thing that's interesting about the VIX today is that pretty much from the time it opened, you can see we opened at 21.99 and our high was 22.02. From basically from the time it opened until market closed, it pretty much dropped besides a couple of recoils, which is interesting because SPY was pushing up, and then SPY had a pretty large sell-off from its high a day to its low a day, a whole $4.54 drop. However, the VIX did not push back up. So that means we're moving lower on SPY, and the VIX is moving lower, which is definitely something to keep in mind. Last thing here is Bitcoin. We have a real nice double top right here off the daily 8 EMA, real nicely off the 23.5K. We did break support over the weekend. So I'm going to be looking for about 22.7K here. See if we can close a candle tomorrow under the daily 20 EMA. All right, hope you guys had a good day trading today, and I will see you guys tomorrow.